I'm with Leadfusion. We're thrilled to be here for our second time at Finovate. With me are Matt Kogis and Nalima Ashanti, and we're here to share our latest innovation, cross-channel selling. Now, we know that 9 out of 10 consumers, when they're in market for a financial services product, start their journey online on the public-facing side of your website. But we also know that the majority of consumers convert offline in the branch. And so the acquisition of a financial services product has now become a multi-moment, multi-channel, even a multi-device consideration process. So how best to engage consumers across these multiple devices online, laptop, smartphone, and tablet? How do you take someone that's an anonymous visitor to your website through to a conversation in the branch? And once they're in the branch, how do you continue the engagement through to conversion? Cross-channel selling is our latest innovation that keeps consumers engaged exclusively with your brand from their very first online researching session right through to conversion in the branch. Let's go to the demo. Now let's say that Nalima is a typical consumer. She's in market for an auto loan, and she visits her bank or credit union's website. Now we've preloaded the tool here with details about Nalima's auto buying goal. Comfortable with her situation, she clicks Continue and is served up with very specific and highly relevant auto loan options. Now, Nalima is not quite ready to apply online, and in the upper right-hand corner of the screen, she's an invitation to get help with her goal. So she clicks on that and is invited to cross-channel into a nearby branch for personal assistance, and without logging in or registering or providing any additional information, Nalima has the option to continue the discussion in the branch where she left off by printing or emailing or texting a unique code to herself. So she does that, she emails the code to herself, and she picks up that email on a second device, her smartphone, and she heads to the nearby branch. So now we're at a Fusion Financial branch in Nalima's neighborhood where Matt, an FSR, is using cross-channel selling for FSRs, and Nalima walks into the branch.
Welcome to Fusion Financial. How may I help you today?
Hi, I'm in need of a new auto loan, and I was on your website researching my options, but needed help from a real person to understand which options were best for me. I emailed myself a unique code from your website and brought it along.
Excellent. Well, I'm certainly a real person, so that's good. And auto loans just happen to be my specialty. Now, there's a couple different ways I can recall your work to expedite things. How about I scan that code directly from your phone, and we can pick up right where you left off.
Sounds good.
So Matt does that. He scans the code, and they continue the conversation on a third device, Matt's tablet, whereas you'll see Matt is also accessing the public-facing side of the bank's website.
Okay, so it looks like here you're in the market for a $25,000 new car, looking to put $5,000 down, and you say your credit rating is excellent.
That's correct.
Outstanding. Okay. Now, before we get to take a look at the highly relevant loan options that you're most likely to qualify for, may I quickly get your full name and the best number to reach you?
Sure.
And so Matt uses cross-channel selling to capture Nalima's information, and Nalima transitions from an anonymous visitor to your website to a known consumer who's in market for an auto loan. Now, in addition to this powerful lead capture functionality, Matt also has access to other selling and lead management tools, as we shall see.
Thank you for that information, Nalima. Okay. Now, which one of these loan options were of most interest to you?
The 60 and 72-month loans, but what are the pros and cons of each, please?
I can answer that for you. Let's compare those two side by side. Now, the 72-month auto loan, while more affordable on a monthly basis, has a higher total cost since you're paying a slightly higher interest rate over a longer term. If you're ready, we can start the application process for one of those loans right now.
Thank you. The 60-month auto loan is probably my best option, but I do need to discuss this with my husband before applying.
No problem. This is a big financial decision. If you'd like, we have an excellent auto buying guide and loan brochure that I can email you.
Please do.
And so Matt uses cross-channel selling to send Nalima some product information and to set a follow-up call for the next day.
Okay if I give you a call tomorrow to check in and answer any remaining questions that you may have?
Yes, please, and thank you for all your help today, Matt.
You're welcome.
So back at home, if we could go back to the laptop. So Nalima receives the email from Matt and recalls the work that they did together and reviews the product options. No longer a stranger to Fusion Financial, she is welcomed back to the bank's website and has Matt's contact information close at hand. So to recap, cross-channel selling enables you to more effectively engage consumers during their multi-moment, multi-device, multi-channel consideration process. And in the branch, cross-channel selling transforms your website into a powerful set of collaborative tools that enable your FSRs to capture the consumer's information and continue the conversation through to conversion. Now, today we've only had time to show you one use case for cross-channel selling. If you're interested in the other ways that we're solving the O2O, online to offline, offline to online conversion challenge, please come talk to us. Cross-channel selling will be available for general release by the end of the year. Thank you very much.